Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin with targeted, fast checks so you don't waste time. First, make sure airplane mode is off and both Wi-Fi and cellular toggles are enabled. This restores basic radio functions. Next, restart your iPhone. Hold the side button, slide to power off, wait about 30 seconds and power back on to refresh system services. Finally, confirm you aren't in a carrier outage or dead zone. If you are, wait or move to a known coverage area before continuing. Once done with the basics, address the phone's network configuration and physical SIM. You should remove and reset the SIM card to clear poor contact. Check for visible damage or corrosion. Then reset network settings to clear corrupt configurations. Settings, General, Reset network settings, which keeps your data safe but removes saved Wi-Fi and VPN credentials. Make sure to forget problematic Wi-Fi networks. Toggle Wi-Fi assist and switch between LTE and 5G to test cellular protocol behavior for consistent. To finish, update both iOS and carrier settings. Software patches often fix radio bugs. If updating doesn't help, back up your data and try a device restore, using standard restore first, then a DFU restore if corruption persists. This addresses deep firmware issues. After restore, recheck connectivity before restoring your backup. If you still lose network, contact your carrier to check provisioning and request signal logs, and reach out to Apple support for hardware diagnostics. This one step often identifies a faulty antenna or modem module.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.